Good morning, guys. So today I'm going on a adventure. Today is Sunday and I'm going on a mini road trip with one of my friends, and we're going to a forest of sunflowers, and I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. You know, it might be cool. So yeah, gonna get up and then I have to run to the store real quick to grab some snacks and some drinks. So I'm going to get up and get dressed and head out. Alright guys.
Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you.
Who knows if they would have liked it? They're too cool for that kind of stuff, but there's a tracker. We're in the sunflower field! I'm so excited.
This is what my path to heaven is gonna look like. All these sunflowers, they're so beautiful. They're my favorite.
Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Can I walk through here?
Actually, walk through this. Yeah.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
I don't know if we're going the right way.
Oh, there's bees too. Oh my gosh, this is like
Heaven. Are we going?
flower heaven, sunflower heavens. Oh my god, we need to take some pictures. You want to go in deeper so we have more privacy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sure you want to go that way?
Yeah.
I have no idea what she was talking about.
I have no idea, and I'm not doing that.
Sneakers on because it's dirt.
Oh my gosh.
There's a lot of bumblebees.
It's FEILD.
Original Batman, Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try pull me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them. Come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them.
Rosie. Rosie.
You're loud.
Hey piggies.
Are you hungry?
Ooh.
What's going on?
Oh, no fighting. Be nice.
Yeah. You guys don't seem happy.
Oh, like the 3 little piglets.
You don't seem happy, little fellas.
There's the goat. I'm a goat.
There you go.
Hey, little goat.
There you go.
Aww.
Oh, they're getting fed.
Hold it out. They'll eat it right out of your hand, Melanie. Yep.
Here.
So
You
cute.
guys want to feed them? They did it, right?
You want a piece of baby? Thank you.
You want to do it again?
Where?
One more
This one? Ooh, scared me. Scared me. Hey, I don't have any food. I'm so sorry. He's so cute. Wow. Aww. Oh, look at the little babies.
Get him up. Get him up.
Aww. Look at that one.
How you supposed to? I think he's just feed it to the baby though. I think he's just. Hey, Dad, everyone's trying to steal his food.
Told him he's got the life. He doesn't have to worry about Thanksgiving. Thank goodness.
Hey, little buddy. Aww. That is a huge turkey.
No, he's nice.
Oh, okay.
And if he was mean, I would be letting him walk.
Oh, okay. Just wondering because you were there, so I thought you were watching him, his bodyguard. Are turkeys generally mean?
It depends on how they're raised, really, you know. Like, they're all different.
That bird is straight up posing for you. He is making his little video.
He's
I've
so
been chased by
cute.
birds. That's why I asked. Ducks are mean. Chickens. People think that chickens are.
Whoa.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
I've been chased by this.
Feel the back of his head.
Weary of
Oh, wow. It feels like, I don't know what it feels like.
That's his
it's
beard.
like brains.
Oh, wow. Aww.
Yeah, it's just skin.
It's just skin.
Yeah.
Soft.
This one,
Aw.
that one you're touching fine, but the cow you were worried about.
Yeah. The part above his beak is the snoot,
Yeah.
and then the part below it's his wattle.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Cool. It looks like a brain right there.
It's just skin.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. How's it going today, everybody?
Good. YouTubers, come to the sunflower farm in Huntsville, Florida. This hay is itching my ass. So note to self, if you come, you have to sit on hay, wear long pants, not skirt, okay? Itching. But it's hot as hell. That's why I have on this top. No, she got on the top because she won't be cute. Oh, I like that. Who inspires you?
dead trees over there too. This is such a nice time.
Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me female wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.